Sim number 3, employee supervision. So you got to run through, get to step 8 of 8. Now your goal is to get these people. These are your accounts receivable people. They're slacking. So this, if you click on this stack of paper, it has to be within 5 days old. So the accounts receivable. So they're slacking. That means they're not getting money to your company that your company is owed to you. So what you need to do is first, I like to run it for like a week. So click run to and just go like this, run it for a week, and you'll see that these people, once you do run it for a week, go to actions and then go to supervise employees and accounts receivable. Look, time per invoice, 16 minutes. Target time, 13. Good, good. So I got some good people. I hired some studs here, Jed and Harold. So what happens is when you run it and you go to here supervise, you're going to see that your accounts receivables, they're slackers, they're horrible. So you can warn them about their performance, but they still suck. So eventually what you have to do is fire them. So I'm going to fire this guy. I'm going to fire this guy. You're done. And then what you have to do is hire accounts receivable people. So you go to actions, recruit employees. We need accounts receivable people. Close. We just posted it. Now we go to actions. We need to hire people. Now see, accounts receivable specialists, we need 2 of them. So I like to get the best of the best. So I filter this. And there's 16 people, and I want to get some work experience. Nobody with work experience. So let's go down here. Anybody with work experience? Yes, yes, yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, so check out our, let's see, with more than 2 years. Oh yeah, are they good? They took direction very well. I want them. They want 25 bucks an hour. I'm feeling crazy. Let's give them 27 an hour. Ooh, thank you. They accepted. Now, look, I need one more person. No references. Let's see, is this person good? Did not take direction very well. Let's reject them. Now, I like people with references, so I'm going to go down a year. Let's see. No references. No references. No references. So I don't have anybody left because I've been doing this for a while. So basically, you just need to go through, hire somebody that's good, and then once you hire them, run it for a week. You keep clicking up here on the accounts receivable. Oh, how I got to here is view office. You normally you're like view production. You're usually here. You gotta go to view office. So when the stack is starting to go down, that means these people are good. Okay. And to check on their work, remember, go to actions, supervise, accounts receivable, and I didn't run it, so obviously, but you'll see if they're slacking or not right here. So once you get good workers, they will get this pile down and make your company money, and then it says congratulations, you finished, and then just click submit right here, and then you're done with Sim 3.